let's use your Face ID to unlock your notes. Now, on your iPhone, you can lock notes, and you can always unlock them just by using your Face ID, so you don't need to remember a password. To turn that on, let's hop into your settings here, and we'll scroll down until we get to Notes and tap on that. And then we will tap on Password midway down, and you can see I have notes in my iCloud and on my phone. So I'm going to choose both of those here and tap Use Face ID. Now I have to enter in the password, and I will do the same for on my phone. I'll turn that on. And now that Face ID is enabled, let's just head over to Notes and I'll show you how it works. So I'm going to get out of there and open up Notes. You can see this note is locked. All I have to do is hit View Note here. It will use my Face ID, and then it will unlock the note. You can always just tap the lock at the very top right to lock it back again after you're done using it or reading it. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.